Don't just talk about power. Empower us. President, hindi po kami nandito para lang magreklamo. Pare and our volunteers from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao are not here just to complain. We're here to push for solutions. We're here to collaborate for solutions. Short term, mid-term, and long term. Don't just talk about power. Empower us. Let us, Filipino consumers, feel your leadership as you solve problems of rampant brownouts, expensive electricity rates, and dependence on imported raw materials like coal and fuel. Sir, please act boldly, act fairly, and act now.